There is a popular saying that you put your hand out and keep turning it around, and where it appears the brightest, that is where you should put your subject. And if you're like me, look to the sky, where it appears the brightest, put your subject in the opposite direction, and that is the first tip you need to know. Hi, my name is Olamide Ali, and in this video I'll be teaching you 5 simple steps to improve your natural light portraits. Let's get into the video. Hey! Number 2, shoot in the shade. The reason why you shoot in the shade is, number 1, it gives you a darker background, bringing its focus to your subject. And number 2, the light that will be falling on your subject will be softer and cleaner, right? Giving you the flattering portrait. And one thing you need to also do in shooting in the shade is move around a bit, right? Look for where the light is probably streaking from the leaves and hitting your subject or your model in this case, and giving you that different effect, right? Move around a bit, try different things, and like I said, in the shade. And you have a very beautiful natural portrait. Look at the pictures on the screen. I'm sure you can see the effect of shooting in the shade. Number 3, shoot in the sun. I know I said you shoot in the shade, but the reason why you shoot in the sun is it gives you a flattering portrait. The way you should go about this is go for a flat light. When I mean flat light is the light is falling on your subject. There are no shadows under the eyes, under the nose, or under the chin. And when you should do this is probably around 3. Don't shoot around 11, 12, 1, because the light will be directly over the person's head, and then it's giving you the shadows under the nose, and it's not going to be as flattering as when you had flash light. You can see the pictures on the screen. Number 4, back the light. The reason why you should back the light is it gives you this, edge light around your subject, or in this case, you can go for a short kind of light, right? It's very interesting, and sometimes you might need to fill in the shadows. In this case, I didn't fill in the shadows, so try and fill in the shadows with probably a reflector or something else, and it will give you that flattering portrait. I'll show you in another video how I edited these pictures so that you can try it on your own. And number 5, wait for the clouds to cover the sun. The reason why you should wait for the clouds to cover the sun is it's going to diffuse the light that's coming from the sun and giving you that natural light, or basically in this case, softer light. And you can see the pictures on the screen that they are very soft and they are very interesting. And the kind of pictures you will take when the clouds are covering the sun will be much more interesting. And in this case, you can even try different kind of light. You can do it in the Rembrandt light. It's just going to be very interesting. Probably do a side light with a diffused light from the clouds. To do a recap, number 1, look for where the light is brightest, on your hand or in the sky, and put your subject opposite it. Number 2, shoot in the shade. Number 3, shoot in the sun. Number 4, back the sun and take a good picture. Number 5, wait for the clouds to cover the sun. Like I said, they act as a diffuser, and the pictures are way more softer, and you have a natural portrait look. With these 5 tips, I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. I hope you are going to try it, and let me know in the comment section if you did enjoy or if you did learn 1 or 2 things. And a special thank you to our model today, Tolu Anime Kula. She's Tolu AJG. Check her out on Instagram. And until next time, before you go, subscribe and bye-bye.